Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real conversations. I'm Lucas from Brazil.
And I'm Sarah from Canada. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're studying at home, on a bus, at work during a break, or maybe relaxing with your headphones, thank you for choosing to learn with us.
Yes, thank you. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps our channel grow and helps us make more lessons for you.
Absolutely. Now, Lucas, are you ready for today's topic?
Oh, yes, I am more than ready. This topic is everywhere in our lives. We use it every day, we love it, we need it, we complain about it, but we also can't live without it.
Exactly. Today's topic is technology and social media.
One of the biggest topics in the world today.
Everyone uses technology. Children, teenagers, adults, grandparents, and social media is part of our daily life.
So today, we're going to have a friendly, natural conversation about technology, social media, using phones, apps we love, apps we don't love, habits, and more. And you'll learn a lot of vocabulary.
Okay, Lucas, let's start simple. First question. How much technology do you use every day?
Oh, Sarah, I think too much. Way too much.
Same here. Technology is everywhere. What's the first thing you touch in the morning? Your phone?
Yes, I wake up, open my eyes, and boom, I grab my phone. I check the time, notifications, messages, everything.
That's the same for me. My phone is my alarm clock. It wakes me up every morning.
Technology number one, phone as an alarm clock.
Yes. And after that, what do you do?
I check my emails. Then I open WhatsApp, then Instagram, then YouTube.
So basically, you travel the world before breakfast.
Exactly. Technology wakes me up and helps me start my day. What about you?
I check my phone too, but I also use my smart speaker.
Oh, yes, like Hey Google or Alexa.
Yes. I say, "Good morning." And then it tells me the weather, the news, and my schedule.
Wow, that's high tech. Meanwhile, in Brazil, I'm like, let me check Instagram real quick.
Both laugh. Before we go deeper, let's teach our viewers some useful vocabulary. Useful technology vocabulary. Device, phone, tablet, laptop, etc. Screen time, the amount of time you spend looking at screens. Notifications, messages your phone sends you. Wi-Fi, internet connection without cables. Download or upload, take from internet, put onto internet. Charge your phone, give your phone battery. Scroll, move your finger to look through social media. Post, share something online. App, application, a program on your phone. Add friend or follow, connect with someone on social media.
These words are super important if you want to talk about technology in English.
Okay, Lidis, what social media do you use the most?
Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and TikTok.
TikTok? Oh, you're one of those people.
Yes, I scroll and scroll and scroll.
TikTok is dangerous. You open it for 5 minutes and suddenly 2 hours are gone.
Exactly. It's like a time machine.
What kind of videos do you watch?
Funny videos, cooking videos, travel videos, and of course, English videos. I like learning while I'm scrolling.
That's good. It's great when social media becomes a learning tool, not just entertainment.
What about you? What apps do you use?
I use Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest.
Pinterest. That's rare.
I love it. I use it for cooking inspiration, home decoration ideas, art ideas, everything.
So your Pinterest is a creative universe.
Exactly.
Technology is amazing, but sometimes it's too much.
Yes, there are positive and negative sides. Positive effects: easy communication, entertainment, learning English online, GPS and maps, access to information, online shopping, staying connected with family.
Negative effects. Too much screen time. Addiction. Comparing yourself to others. Fake news. Cyberbullying. No real conversations. Stress and anxiety. Sarah, what's a negative effect for you?
I think overthinking. Social media can make people feel like everyone has a perfect life.
Yes, everyone posts the best moment, not the real life.
Exactly, and sometimes people compare their life to others.
I do that sometimes too.
We all do. That's why it's good to take breaks from social media. Technology changed the way we work.
Yes, many people work online now.
We do too, in a way. This channel is part of our work.
Exactly. And technology helps people study languages, like English.
Many students learn English on YouTube, apps, websites, podcasts.
Technology makes learning more flexible.
You can watch videos anytime, anywhere.
On your phone, tablet, or laptop.
Let me ask you something, Lucas. Can you live without your phone?
No, impossible.
Same here. My whole life is inside that device. Messages, work, photos, everything.
Yes, our lives are digital.
But sometimes it's good to disconnect.
Like during dinner,
Yes, no phones at the table.
if I grab my phone, my mom says, "Nope, put that away."
Let's answer some fun questions. Ready?
Ready.
1. What app do you use the most?
Instagram.
YouTube. 2. What app do you not like?
Twitter. Too many arguments.
I agree. 3. What's your favorite gadget?
My wireless headphones.
My smartwatch. 4. Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting.
Calling. I like hearing the voice.
5. Do you take a lot of pictures?
Yes, especially food.
Me too. And nature.
Let's teach some phrases our viewers can use. Useful sentences. I spend too much time on my phone. I want to reduce my screen time. I use social media to learn English. I follow many educational pages. I downloaded a new app. I need to charge my phone. I got too many notifications. My Wi-Fi is slow today. Can you send me the link? Let's video call later.
These sentences are very helpful for daily conversations.
Lucas, what advice do you have for using technology?
Use it wisely. Technology is powerful, but we must control it, not let it control us.
Very true. And take breaks sometimes.
And use technology to learn something new, not only for entertainment.
Especially English.
Yes, use YouTube, podcasts, apps, websites, music, everything.
Wow, we talked a lot today.
Yes, technology is such a big topic. We could talk for hours.
We hope you learned new vocabulary and useful phrases.
And we hope you practice your English in the comments.
That's right. For our question of the day, what social media app do you use the most? Choose one and write a sentence. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram, X, or Twitter.
You can write my favorite app is blank because
We will read your comments.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Thank you for watching Let's Talk in English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.